In this video, I'll show you how to integrate DocuGen with Monday.com. First, open the workspace you want to work on, and then open the board where you want to manage documents or client information. Near the top of the board, click the Integrate button. Then, this will open the Integration Center. Use the search bar and search for DocuGen. If it doesn't appear immediately, click Explore More Apps or our Marketplace and search for DocuGen again using the search bar. Select the DocuGen integration from the list. On the right side, click Install App. A confirmation window may appear. Click Install again to continue. Next, choose the workspace and board where you want the integration to activate. After selecting the correct workspace and board, click Add App at the bottom. The integration will now be added to your Monday.com workspace. You may now be asked to log into your DocuGen account or authorize access between the platforms. Once connected, you can start creating automated document workflows directly inside your board. Integrating DocuGen with Monday.com helps reduce repetitive paperwork and improves document workflow automation. And that's how to integrate DocuGen and Monday.com.